ॐ समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् हरि ओम. Today now we will see about the time, Kala. This is a very big subject as such and mysterious also. As I am talking to you right now, so many thoughts are gushing into my mind. But we have to concise it and see it in brief. What is time? Now, time is defined as an interval between two events. Like sunrise is one event, sunset is one event. The interval between two, about 12 hours, is called as time. Just as the distance between two points are there, the distance is calculated in centimeters, millimeters, or even kilometers or miles, nautical miles, whatever it is. Distance between 2 points. Similarly, the interval between two events is time. Number one. Second point is time is there when there is a movement. If there's no movement, no time. Suppose Earth is not rotating and revolving, then time stops. No seasons, no hours, all stops. Sunrise, sunset don't take place. All planets revolving around, rotating. Also, the solar system also is moving. The cosmic time, the time extends. So cosmic scale is different. The second point is where there is movement. Third point is one is physical time, which is common to all. 1 hour, 60 minutes is common to all. And there's something called psychological time. There also the interval between thoughts. And if you are very going through a pleasant experience, time runs faster. Unpleasant experiences, time runs slow psychologically. The time in dream is different. In deep sleep state, there is no movement, there is no ego, so no time for me. Only after I wake up, I calculate because the wake up thought comes. So last thought, what time I slept, then morning time, whatever time I got up, the interval is calculated. And I say I have slept 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, like that. Okay. Apart from that, the time is only in the matter, in the realms of matter. So time scale changes because there are so many lokas, many worlds are there. In each world, the time is different. We say Pitrus, for them, 1 day is equal to, their 1 day is equal to 1 year for us. It's like that. Right? So time happens only when there is movement. Kramasamvit kalaha. The consciousness of the sequence of events is time. Unless I am conscious of the moment, there cannot be time for me. Okay. And Bhagavan Krishna said, Kalosmi loka kshayakrit pravrittaha. In Gita he says, I am the time now engaged in destruction of the worlds, constantly being destroyed. Then what is time then? Bhagavan says time is consciousness. Because I am consciousness, I am time. So that because of which the movement takes place. And that which transcends the movement, that is pure consciousness. In it, in by itself, in it, there is no time. But because of which the movement takes place, hence time is born. So that is called time. And everything is changing in the realms of time. Swami Chinmaya would say, Puja Gurudev, all this is Einsteinian state of relativity, the world, state of change. Now, time is a movement. It moves from future to present, and present becomes the past. Tomorrow will become today, and today will become past. It's moving. So we are going or swimming against the stream of time. We are just there. And time, the future hits us in the present. I call it as a present. When it hits me, touches me. When it passes away through me, I call it as past. Think. Therefore, what is this time? Now, this time is divided as, for our experience, for our calculations, future, the present, and the past. Future, present, and the past. Future is unborn. So Bhagavan Krishna says, drop the anxieties of the future. Nirashi nirmamo bhutva yudhyasva vikata Mayi sarvani karmani sanyasya adhyatma chetasa. Now, what is future? Unborn. Where is future? In my mind. When is it existing? In the present. In the present, I am holding an unborn future, which I call it as future time. Bhavishyat Kala, not yet born. Second is Vartamanam, the present time, which I am experiencing. In fact, there is no future because it is unborn, not existing. But where it is existing? In my mind. Similarly, there is no past because past has gone. Existing as what? As memory in my mind. Future is existing as an anxiety for the unborn in my mind. The past is existing in my mind in the present as a memory. So this past, present, and future, even though we divide, in the present alone, the future and the past are hidden. Think about it. Because I live in future. I live in present. I experience the present. I am not in future. Now I cannot live for tomorrow. Now I cannot live for the yesterday. Right? Then how to live? Three things are to be important. Future is unborn. We should drop anxieties for future. Past has dead and gone. So unwanted memories should not be allowed to disturb the present. or unwanted, or we should not waste our time recalling all the pleasant experiences of the past in the present and not doing what we are supposed to do in the present is also criminal waste of time, right? So what is the time says? One more thing. We all say we are killing time. No, we are not killing the time. Time is killing us because we are being destroyed in time, moment to moment. Our longevity is coming to an end in time. Think. So our focus is to live in the present. If a present is a gift, present means a gift. And all the people on the globe, all of us, are given one thing equally. Otherwise, rest of the things are not saman, not equal. The health is different, wealth is different, knowledge is different, circumstances, surroundings are different from each other person on the globe. But what is that Bhagavan gave common to all of us? Time. So the what we do in the present, because I live only in the present, is the key point. So therefore, Shastras say, masters say, live in the present fully. And that alone is the job of all of us. Practicing to live only in the present. Learn from the mistakes of the past. But let us not brood over the past. Set direction for future. But we should not imagine the future to be like this or like that and start living in our imaginations. That is dangerous. Therefore, friends, our focus is only the present. How I live, what I do, what I think in the present moment is more important. So, in these 3 periods of time, we must practice only to live in the present. Present is precious, beautiful. Present is opportunity. So, great masters have said, utilize this time intelligently so that our future will be good. Living in the present wisely is the task of every human being. It must be the task of every human being. So this is about the time in nutshell. So thank you very much. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.